Hey guys, it's me again. Tonight we're gonna draw Haxarous. If you must know, Haxarous is a dragon-type Pokemon, codenamed as the Axe Jaw Pokemon. And yes, I have to redraw him since well, I was a bit too since I made it too big.
Well, Edison first lit his light bulb in 1879. And when Henry Ford built his first car, it was
There we go.
First day of our independence was in 1776. In 1815 was the first dental floss that someone could have their first kiss. The first fire hydrant was 1801, and now all of the dogs, they have so much more fun. Last of all, I am the first president with his face on a stamp. So these are all firsts we thought you should know. It's also the first Mr. Peabody and Sherman.
Last time, I've drawn my characters a bit too big. That's why this time, I'm gonna start drawing it small. Alexa, next song. Alexa, play the first song.
I couldn't find that on Amazon Music.
Sorry, but Alexa, what is an axe?
This might answer your question. An axe is an implement that has been used for millennia to shape, split, and cut wood.
Prince Paul, what up? Peabody, what up? Sherman, what up? Wordsworth. Let's ride.
Cabo, relax, relax. Good buddy. Alright, here's his hands.
Jump in and ride with me. Everybody, girls and guys with me. Take the Ferris wheel to the sky with me. Right there, you can see birds fly with me.
Nope.
Sunshine
Relax.
and the air is clear. This the best ride at the state fair. 1893 is today's year. In Chicago, the Ferris wheel first appeared. Picking up speed at a slow pace, faster every second that it rotates. From up here, we
Play
can
nice.
see the whole state. Looking down at the line, it's a long way. We're not done, come with friends, a great time. I don't want the sun to end. Don't stop, let's go around once again. Spinning in the wind, this is when the fun begins. Let's ride.
Alexa, start the playlist over.
Prince Paul, what up?
Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song. Alright. There's his foot. Alexa, next song. Lastly, drug tail.
When I was a little girl, I used to dream a lot. Now I'm all grown up and I'm about to take charge.
There we are. There he is. That's how you draw Axe Jaw Pokemon Haxarous. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe. Stegosaurus, see you later, guys.